Welcome to New English Stories. Learn English by listening to beautiful new stories.
The Kind Woodcutter's Gift. In a village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a kind woodcutter named Thomas. He was known far and wide for his generosity and warm heart. One winter's day, as the snow blanketed the land, Thomas set out to the forest to gather firewood. With his axe in hand, he chopped wood with skill and care. Just as he was about to leave, he heard a tiny voice coming from behind a bush. Curious, Thomas approached the bush and found a shivering little bird with its wing trapped under a fallen branch. Without hesitation, he gently lifted the branch and freed the bird. With a grateful chirp, the bird fluttered its wings and perched on Thomas's shoulder. "Thank you, kind woodcutter," the bird tweeted. "You've saved my life. I shall grant you a wish as a token of my gratitude." Thomas was surprised but grateful. He thought for a moment and said, "Dear bird, I wish for warmth and shelter for my family and me, for this winter and all winters to come." The little bird nodded and flew away. Thomas returned home and was astonished to find that his small cottage had transformed into a cozy, spacious house. A roaring fire crackled in the hearth, and there was plenty of food and warmth. His family was overjoyed, and they celebrated the woodcutter's good fortune. As the years went by, the house remained warm and comfortable, shielding them from the harshest winters. Every winter, when snowflakes fell, the little bird would return to perch on Thomas's windowsill. It became a cherished tradition, a reminder of the gift that kindness had brought. And so, in that village, the tale of the kind woodcutter's gift was passed down through generations. It taught everyone the value of compassion, the rewards of helping others, and the magic that can be found in the most unexpected places. And even today, when winter's chill arrives, you might just catch a glimpse of a little bird perched on a windowsill, reminding us all that a good deed can warm not only hearts but homes too.